This video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the browser hijacking extension called Sports Engine. Sports Engine is the extension designed specifically for Google Chrome browser. The developers of this extension indicate that it will help you to customize your new tab with cool sports backgrounds. Maybe this feature is helpful for some categories of people, but the trouble with this extension is that it is typically spread through integration with many free applications, so in most of the cases users download and install it absolutely unintentionally. This Sports Engine extension changes the default search engine settings without the user's approval. And that's another trouble. So whenever people start submitting some search queries, they get the results by some unfamiliar search engines that have not been chosen by them initially. To remove any third-party extensions like that from the Google Chrome browser, access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. Then if you find any third-party extensions here like Sports Engine, get rid of them. To make sure that your computer is free of any other threats, we recommend you to research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, and then start researching your device. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.